In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot update TikTok region. Sometimes TikTok may be holding out old data that is preventing region updates. So clearing your cache and data can help. So what you have to do is go to your phone settings and search for TikTok and then tap on storage and make sure to clear the cache and clear data. After clearing the cache, restart the TikTok app and check if the region issue is fixed. And one of the most reliable ways to change your TikTok region is by using a VPN. A VPN can mask your real location and allow you to appear as you are in a different country. Download a VPN from Play Store or App Store and open the VPN and connect to a server in the region you want to switch to. Once connected, go to your TikTok app and TikTok will start displaying content based on your VPN location. If changing your region directly does not work, try changing the language settings, which can influence the type of content you see. For this, open the TikTok app, go to your profile, click on the three lines in the top right corner, and then go to Settings and Privacy. Now you will find this language option, click on it, and you can add the language spoken in the country or the region you want to switch to. This should begin to filter content based on the language you have selected.